Good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. A quick video for you guys today concerning a transfer departure of a Jamaica Reggae Boy. You guys see the headlines on your screen, ladies and gentlemen. Kemar Taxi Lawrence has departed Minnesota United. Minnesota United and defender Kemar Taxi Lawrence mutually agree to part ways. A quick video for you guys today, just in case you guys missed it. It initially missed me as well, and it's very shocking, to be honest with you. I mean, Kemar Taxi Lawrence has been a starter and an integral player for Minnesota United in a season and a half there. So for, just out of the blue in the middle of the season, for both to part ways, it's a weird scenario, to be honest with you. I can't wrap my brain around it. An integral piece of Minnesota United was a starter for them in their playoff run last season, and again has been a starter ever since he went there for the season and a half that he has been there. So, in the middle of the season, they just agreed to part ways. It's a very weird scenario, to be honest with you. I've heard some online rumors about this particular situation, about this particular scenario, but those are only rumors, so I'm not going to share those with you guys. And to be fair, those rumors are incredibly one-sided, so I'm not going to share those. But it's still a very shocking scenario, to be honest with you. All right, let me read the article on your screen for you guys. This is on the Minnesota United website. Minnesota United and defender Kemar Lawrence mutually agreed to part ways. Thank you, Kemar Lawrence. Minnesota United announced today the club and defender Kemar Lawrence have mutually agreed to terminate Lawrence's MLS Major League Soccer contract effective August the 3rd, 2023, and they go on to give some details about the player, like the position he plays, date of birth, height, last club birth of place, and so forth. Again, man, very, very surprising that Kemar Lawrence has parted ways with Minnesota United. That's the most I would say on this particular scenario. A very strange scenario indeed. Kemar Taximan Lawrence is now on the hunt for a new club. He is a free agent. I'm sure he is a very attractive free agent. 30 years old and a MLS starter of his quality. I'm sure there would be a number of professional clubs all over the place interested in Kemar Lawrence. He has significant MLS experience as a starter, and he has also spent some time in the Belgian Pro League for Anderlecht as well. See, knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share, ladies and gentlemen. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Just thought I would bring this to your attention in case you missed it. As I said, it initially missed me as well. See, take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.